Compound effect. When you are thinking about building or improving a business, you should always look for some sort of a compounding effect to increase the profit or improve your situation much faster. So we have two types of a compounding effect. One is related to time. So here the growth may be small, but if it's applied over a long period of time, you might get big end results. And one of them is obviously the growth you can observe in startups. So they start with a very low position, but since the growth is very fast and over a long period of time, they get to the position where they are leaders in the markets. So let's assume that you have some sort of start and then you have a growth of 10% over 10 periods. So the periods here could be weeks or months. So after 10 periods, you would get more than 2.5 of the starting position. So it might be base of users, it might be your revenues, it might be your profit. The other compounding effect that is sometimes neglected is related to having small improvements, but in many areas that produce you a big end result. So let's have a look at an example that will show you the power of this. So let's assume that we are looking at the revenue of the company. That depends on the number of customers and the average revenue per customer. If we increase the number of customers by 15% and then the average revenue per customer by 20%, this gives us the increase in revenue by 38%. So if you have two areas, this is what you can produce. But if you have 10 or 15 different areas, even if you improve them by a small fraction of the difference, then the end result might be huge. So look for those type of two compounding effects. One is related to time. So you have a constant growth over a long period of time. And the other one is basically looking for small improvements in many areas that will produce you big end results due to the multiplication effect like it was done here.